Hello everyone, here is Vladimir and I welcome you once again to one of my technical tutorials. If this is the first time you are watching my video or the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to support my work. In this session, I'm going to show you how to uninstall an application from your Mac notebook or Mac computer. You will see it is really very easy, but first things first, there are two types of applications. There are applications installed over the Apple Store and applications installed over the internet. So if you just click the launchpad here in the left bottom corner of your tray, you will see all your applications. And if you just hold on one of the icons, you will see them trembling a little bit like this. And you can see some of them have this little X. So these are the applications which are installed over the Apple Store, and you can uninstall them really very easily. You just press this X. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete the application? Yes, delete. I just need to provide my credentials, and I just deleted an application. I removed it. It's uninstalled. And now, how to uninstall the other type of application which was installed through the internet. In my case, it is for example this one. I will simply just leave the launchpad now by clicking it one more time. I will go to the Finder. I will go to Applications. I will find the application here. One way how you can uninstall it practically immediately is by just selecting it with two fingers, opening this context menu and selecting Move to Trash. You can also just select it and drag it to the trash. So that's pretty easy. But if you do this, then it is quite possible that some of the files of that application will still remain on your computer, and until you clean that up, it will simply just remain so. So there is another way how to do it. You can do it this way. For example, I will write the name here. Now I will see everything related to Krita, and I will open this here, this little plus, yeah, and I will say matches the name Krita. And now I have everything which is related to it. Now I have here everything which is called in some way Krita, and you can see I have some saves here, I have some files here, and I have some whatever brushes, settings. So what I can do is to just select all of it and move it to trash, or again just call out the context menu and say move to trash. So this way I can uninstall the whole application with all the files. So, and that's how you do it. That's how you uninstall an application which was installed through the internet, and that's how you uninstall an application which was installed through the App Store. That's it for. Please like and comment on this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on the notifications. Thank you very much and see you soon.